Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can use Wix to create an online course platform. So let's start from the setup website here. I'm going to click with build with the Wix editor instead to make it easier. Now you can bring your ideas to life with AI. So you can start a chat here. I'm going to show you both what happened when you start with a chat and set up without a chat. For my first setup here, I'm going to set up without a chat. And of course, we want an online course program, right? So we'll do this online course and I'm going to click on continue. Give it a second to load and it'll prepare our dashboard here. After that, you'll have a custom dashboard here of your uh, Wix online course, and tell us about your business, but I'm just going to click on skip for now. I'm going to click on skip as well. I'm gonna click on skip. But of course, when you actually set up your website here, you'll have to add in your courses. Like this is the courses, right? Like our adding services, we have consultation, price estimate, info session, single session. For your case, it might be a course for how to get popular at social media or how to get popular in TikTok. Nevertheless, let's skip. And of course, you can add staff members as well. I'm gonna click on skip. These are what else you want to do with your business. So you can accept online payments, send automated emails, sell digital and physical products, accept in-person payments. I'm gonna skip, but those are the options you have. I'm gonna close out. Now it's gonna refresh our dashboard here. After that, let's start designing our site. I'm gonna click on this to design our site. After that, you can generate design with AI or you can customize a template. I'm gonna customize a template here. Pick a template. And now, of course, you have to pick a template. Now, you can pick any template you want and you could adjust it to be part of your online course, right? There's a lot to pick from here. So just browse and see what you want. I'm going to do this one, for example, edit. And the template, it says it's an ad tech startup, but it doesn't really matter what the name is because we can adjust and customize any website template to fit to what our needs are. So in my case, our needs are a online course platform, right? So I'm going to show you the very basic example of how we can customize this to fit our needs. Give it a second to load. And right now it's the tagline is build, manage, and deliver ads, right? Give it a second. It's still installing and pre-loading some of the necessary app. All done. Now let's start changing some of the taglines here. For example, I'm going to change this tagline onto buy our award-winning courses, right? And then I'm going to change this into courses for cheap, for example. And now suddenly this looks like a online course website, right? There's book a demo, there's learn more, and the picture here is still relevant for courses, right? So now what if I want to set up with AI instead? I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go through the same setup here, and I'm going to set up with AI this time. Start chat. I'm going to chat. I want to make an online course website like this. I'm gonna click enter, and then it's gonna think. I'm going to name the online course will be example store like that. Give it a second to think, and then I'm going to say social media courses. Social media courses, right? I'm going to say live webinars. And that's it. Now let's go to dashboard. And the AI will automatically generate some of our needs. There you go, loading your dashboard. Now let's design our site to see. It's the same thing. We can generate design with AI or a customized template. Let's try generate a design for now. Give it a second. It's generating. Now it has a site preview that you can see. It's showing you what kind of theme and what kind of prompt the AI is taking to generate its design. I'm going to cut to when the website is done generating. Now when it is done generating, you'll see what kind of design your site will have, and it'll look like this.